Hello everyone, my name is Rishita. My dream is to go to Canada to pursue my further education. For that purpose, I took my IELTS test and secured 7.5 band. While researching about IELTS, I came to know that IELTS is the best and most recommended test for many countries for study, work and migration purpose. IELTS is very popular and highly recommended worldwide. Upon practicing and giving the test myself, I found out that IELTS is just an English language test which tests your abilities to convey your message in English. Now, I would like to share some tips with you so you can get your desired band in IELTS. Firstly, you need to remember that it is not a subject. You need to treat it as any other language and practice and prepare for it in similar fashion. It may take some time, but you need to invest your time in it. I scored 7.5 in IELTS and my highest score is in listening and that is 8. So I began my preparation for IELTS about 3 months in advance and I have set up a time schedule and worked on 2 important things. I switched my entertainment in English. I started watching a variety of English TV series and movies, especially from different regions, so that to build up a grip in different pronunciations. I took as many as mock tests as possible to manage my time and to be able to answer correctly within the given time frame. At last, I would like to share my advice with everyone that I don't believe the rumors about IELTS. It is very easy and just like any other language test in terms of difficulty. I prepared for the test by just changing my environment to English and scored a very good band. If I can do it, you also can do it. Don't think much and just go for it. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.